Hey friends, if USB flash drive is showing you 0 bytes in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that you didn't buy any fake USB drive and it is connected to the correct port, etc. etc. So check for hardware issues before anything else. Then search for device manager and go to the device manager. Let it load, scroll down, expand universal serial bus controllers, right click on each root hub and update the drivers. Okay, update the drivers. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a checkdisk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.